Students, the gradient of a curve is given as 4 over root under 6 minus 2x. So that means we can write that dy equals to 4 over root under 6 minus 2x into dx. So to integrate this, to get the equation of the curve, we need to integrate both sides. And the formula that we'll be using is integration of ax plus b to the power n dx is given as ax plus b to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus the integral constant c into 1 by a. So that's the formula that we'll be using to integrate this. So integration, that should be 5. So 4 is outside. So this can be written as 6 minus 2x to the power minus of half and the integral sign dx. So now we'll be using this formula. So that becomes 4 into 6 minus 2x to the power positive half over positive half into minus of 1 over 2. So, and plus the integral constant c. So that means if I'm writing for this, so y becomes negative of this becomes 8 and 2 gets cancelled. So that is 4 into 6 minus 2x to the power half plus the integral constant c. Now they have said that point P1, 8 lies on the curve. That means the value of y is 8 and x is 1. So if I place the value of y as 8 and x as 1 in this equation, so I get it as 6 minus 2 to the power half. So that plus the integral constant c. So that is 8 equals to minus 4 and this is root under 4 plus c. So we can say that 8 equals to minus of 8 plus c, or the value of the integral constant c is 16. So we'll place the value of c as 16 into the equation. So that's written as 6 minus 2x to the power half plus 16, and that's the final answer to this question. Thank you, students.